Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about shapes. We all know our basic shapes, which is triangle, circle, square, rectangles. But what happens when those shapes become bigger? Those become 3D shapes. Like my can of Play-Doh is a cylinder. It has a circle here, but when you stand it up, it's a cylinder. This is something like a 3D shape. So we looked at 3D shapes before we went to spring break before school ended. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of 3D shapes that I have. We have triangular prisms, spheres. A sphere is like a ball, just like Miss Fonte's globe. This one spins. Cones, cubes, cylinders, just like this one. Rectangular prisms, and pyramids. And we just saw pyramids in the Egypt book that we read in our read aloud today. So now we're going to be making our own 3D shapes. And the fun part is you get to choose whichever shape you want to do. Okay? So I'm going to see. For this lesson, you will need spaghetti noodles, right here, or toothpicks. You can use either one. I've done it with both. And Play-Doh or marshmallows. I chose the mini ones because they're smaller, okay? So you're gonna make different shapes. The first shape it says for you to make here that I want you to see is to make a sphere. So if you this is a brand new Play-Doh. So once I got it out, it looks kind of like a cylinder. It has a circle here and it has a circle here, but then it's standing up tall, just like the can that it was in. But if you roll it into a ball, because you can't make a sphere with the spaghetti noodles or the toothpicks, okay? So that's why we have the Play-Doh. So we have the Play-Doh, and if you roll it into a perfect little ball, just like Miss Fonte's globe in the back, you get yourself shape of some people say ball. It's not ball, it is a sphere. The more you roll it, use the palm of your hand, the more round it gets, and it's a shape of a sphere. Okay, look at that. So I'm gonna put that back, and now you can use more Play-Doh. If you don't have marshmallows, you can use Play-Doh to make the vertices, which is the very corner of the shape. But I'm just gonna go ahead and use marshmallows because I've done this lesson before with my class and they really liked it. So you're only gonna need a few marshmallows. The rest you guys can save and have snacks or hot cocoa. That's what I like to use those for. You can grab a few, and you can choose to use spaghetti noodles or toothpicks. You can use both if you want. I'm just gonna use the toothpicks for right now, and I'm gonna try to make myself a cube. And to make a cube, if you look at the picture, cubes are made of squares. So I'm going to make squares. And how many sides does a square have? It has 4 sides. I have one here. There's another side. This is 3. And then to connect it, this is my square. Okay? But now I'm gonna make it into a 3D shape and make it taller. So I need another square. Put toothpicks all in here. You see that? Uh-oh, they're falling over. Hold them so they don't fall. And now I put sticks inside up on top of each one, and now I'm going to connect it. Okay. I like to use the toothpicks because they're all the same size. The spaghetti noodles, it's good to use as well. I like those because you can change the sizes, but for the toothpicks, it's easier because they're all the same size already. And we know that's to make a square, it has to be the same size. One more. Let's see. Okay. So this, let's see if I can pick it up. This is Miss Ponce's cube. Okay. That's what it looks like, the cube. So now you can choose any 3D shape you'd like, any one you like, and I want you to make yours and post a video of it on Flipgrid. I can't wait to see what you come up with. That was fun.